Oh, you're healing me? Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a guy behind it. Where'd he go? Right here. Get him. Get him. Get him good. Okay, okay. Where are they? Boom. Get you. Get you. Gotcha. Okay, I did not get him. Currently, nobody is helping it. Oh, okay. Except for you. Except for you. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him with fire. Oh, no, they're killing us with fire. Guys, it's me, Ultimate Narcrab, and welcome back to another video. So today, we are playing a game that I have been urgently requested to play. So basically, before I get this off, this is a first-person shooter game, so if that's not your thing, please don't watch anymore. Also, there's a fair amount of blood, but we're gonna go and this is a game. I think I should just start off, saying the game, but this is called Team Fortress 2, and I've had a lot of people want me to play this game. So basically, yeah, I'm mostly gonna do. There are a bunch of characters and stuff, and so I'm gonna probably be the engineer the most. But anyway, we're gonna join a game, and this game does crash a lot. I've tried to record this game about 3 other times now, but it's just crashed over and over again. And I was just thinking I would edit it out. Also, I'm probably going to edit out a lot of stuff because there's probably going to be people saying inappropriate things or inappropriate usernames or things like that. But anyway, yeah, the other times it was just too many things to edit out that eventually it just wouldn't be a video at all if I edited it all out. So yeah, as you can see, I actually did some good stuff with the scout. Interesting. But yeah, it looks like I'm actually the best at the scout, but we're going to try Engineer, because Engineer is a support character, and I like support characters, because support characters are fun to support your team, and he has some good weapons. So yeah, should be starting off. This should be the only time it should load, besides if it crashes. Alright, let's go! Alright, please don't crash. Sounds very crashy. Alright, we're going to be this guy. Okay, here we are, starting off. This is payload, so we try to basically stop this thing from getting to the area that we don't want it to go to within the time. So I'm going to switch to here. We're going to make a sentry gun right here. There we go. Let's grab this. Okay, 6 damage. Got 6 damage off someone. Get over here. Oh, shoot. I'm screwed. Oh, God. Okay. 63. Yeah, I've caused more damage. Get shreked. And it will freeze. That's not a bad thing. That's just if you want to take a picture. So, yeah. That's what that's for. It doesn't just freeze normally. Oh, no, it's under attack. Oh, look at that thing. That's super cool looking. Nice. All right, here we go. Let's get this thing out. Oh, look, it's doing so well. Oh, shoot. Oh, Jesus. Okay, that was not good. Oh, I actually killed someone. Nice. I don't think I've actually killed someone with this gun before. Oh, shoot. Holy, okay. Oh, I got 2 guns? Oh, my sentry gun. Yeah, I didn't kill anyone. It was my sentry gun. Where is it? Oh, it's actually still doing pretty good. It's killed 2 people. Nice. Oh, no, it looks like it's getting really close to us, though. So basically, it starts moving, I'm pretty sure, when there's people next to it. Oh, come on. They broke it. That's not very nice of you. Alright, whatever. We'll just unbreak it. We're going to put it down right here. No, right there. Oh, did I at least put it down? I don't even know if I put it down. Oof. I didn't. No! No! Gosh darn it. Blue seizes area. Also, if I see something in like the chat or something that's inappropriate, please don't be super offended by it, because I can't just, look at the chat and stuff the whole time, so just don't be... Oh, we got a round 2. Nice. Alright, Mr. Satan, and let's go. I'm following Mr. Satan. Because why not? Okay, looks like we're red again. It's all the way over here. Should be good. Come on, guys. Follow Mr. Satan. He's the one who will lead us right in the middle. An exit to a teleporter right here. That would be very useful indeed, because that way we can set one up near the entrance, and then we will be able to just teleport really quickly from the entrance to here. I'm actually going to move it, though, because this is a very obvious spot. We're going to move you. Okay, can't move it while it's building. Gosh darn it. There we go. 30 seconds. Are you done yet? Come on, you are super close. Just go. There we go. Move you. Just put you under the water. There. Now, that way no one will see it. Perfect. Is that easily seen? We got 10 seconds. It's almost done building. Is it done? Oh, it is done. Okay, yeah, alright. Let's go! Come on, sentry gun. Activate. What are you doing? Why are you so stupid? Oh, I think it needs to upgrade, needs to kill people, do damage before it can upgrade. Oh, or just, I don't know. Why am I not hitting him? Come on, dude. Oh, jeez. Okay, run. Medic, please. Ah, okay. Sorry, I took the med pack. Whew. What do you got? No! It's dead. We need to run. There's a medic over there. Everyone's shouting for medics. Go! Okay, he was stabbed. Kill him. Kill that. Oh, gosh darn it. No, he sniped me. Okay, but now, on the plus side, when we spawn, we can put a teleporter on the ground so they can teleport. Yeah, look, the teleporter's still there. It's at full health. This is good. So we can put a teleporter down by the spawn. Should be good. Oh, there's a dispenser up there. That gives you, like, health and stuff. Wait, 4, entrance. No, gosh darn it. 4, entrance, and, why can't I put it down? Come on, put it down. Come on, put it down. There we go. There. Now this would be really useful if you would turn on, like right now. Oh, you are... Come on, man. Where does yours go? Oh, it's recharging. They need to recharge? Okay, well, at least we have 2. Come on. Oh, it's still building. Come on, man. Okay, fine. You get teleported, but I want to get teleported now. Let me teleport. There we go. Perfect. Oh, gosh. I actually did a fair amount of damage there, I think. Oh, God. Why am I... Oh, I'm on fire. Oh, I don't want to be on fire. I'm going to take some of this. Okay. Ah! Bull, dude! That's annoying. Oh, hey, I got more kills. Oh, I actually got him! Oh, that was good. Oh, that was pretty good. That was good. I actually killed that guy. I'm honestly kind of surprised. Alright. Oh, man, we got 9 minutes to keep him. It's very hard to win as red, I think, at least. It is for me. That's just because I'm bad, though. I haven't played this game that much at all. I mean, I have. Well, where is it? Oh, it's right here. Not recording, I haven't played this game much. Ah, shoot. I'm on fire again. Oh, that's not good. The heck? Ow! There's a guy up here, guys. Oh, that was close. How much damage did I do on him? Oh, no. Oh, there's only one guy on blue besides... So the black silhouettes mean that they're AI. Oh, man. Let's do this. Right there. Let's go. Right here. Just kind of... Oh, you're healing me? Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a guy behind it. Where'd he go? Right here. Get him. Get him. Get him good. Okay, okay. Where are they? Boom. Get you. Get you. Gotcha. Okay, I did not get him. Currently, nobody is helping it. Oh, okay. Except for you. Except for you. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him with fire. Oh, no, they're killing us with fire. Okay, that didn't work. That definitely did not work. Everyone's screaming medic. Maybe I should be a medic. I'm going to become a medic. I haven't actually tried the medic yet. Don't know if they have any guns. Hopefully they do. Otherwise, that would stink. Doesn't look like it's moving that much, though, which is really good. Oh, what are you? What do I have? Alright, so I have this. I have this. I have this. That's all I have. Okay, I'll go with this since this is an actual weapon. Right, second. Heal. What? Texture quality may be too high. Okay, just don't crash, please. Oh, gosh darn it! Medic. And let's go. Hopefully it doesn't do that again. Oh, we need a medic guy. Guys, come on, what are you doing? Shoot him. What does this do? It looks like I'm shooting them with darts, so I don't know if this helps them, if this helps the enemy when I shoot them or not. Not sure, so I'm going to switch, and I'm going to go ahead with, interesting. I think we're going to go with engineer, because, again, it doesn't look like there's a lot of engineers on the team. Looks like I'm the only engineer. Come on. Right? Where is it? Here it is. Okay. Good old right here. Oh, come on. Get him! Get him! Get that guy! Where'd they go? Where's the pyro? Oh, jeez. Okay, here he is. Okay, he's dead. He's dead! There's another guy! Alright, he's dead too. Whew! Good, good. I'm out of health. I need health, like, desperately. Here's some. Whew. Okay, we got some. Got some health. It's all good. How's my sentry gun doing? Oh, great. Come on. One. And then boom. Don't see anyone, but that's how it always starts. What are you? Oh, jeez. What the? Oh, who did that? Life's been good. Oh, come on, life's been good. It's not good for me. Oh, we got another engineer on the team. Looks like he's building some things in there. Come on, 4, 2, go, 1. This guy. Oh, cool. I actually did some damage. What is this? Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll grab this. Yeah, sure. Seems pretty interesting. Okay. Sorry, I forgot you took fall damage. Hello, friend. Okay. Are you my friend? You're my friend. Who is not? I hear things happening. What is that? Oh, no, buddy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry this has happened to you. Oh, hi. Oh, he's been dead. He's been deaded. Oh, I think we actually might have a chance. We just need to stop it from getting to there. We might actually have a chance. Which I did not expect to happen. Did I reload? Okay, I did. There's a guy in there. Engineer, go away. I don't know what he's making. What is that? Oh, God. Yes, thank you, healer. You are my friend. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Thanks. What is... Hey! Watch it! There's a guy in here. Alright. Oh, we got this guy. Yeah, you stay up there, you little turd nugget. Oh, shoot. That guy moved it a bit. It's not good. This is not good. I need help. Medic, medic, medic. Stay by me. I'm glad I got this gun. I don't know if it's actually, like, good. Like, if the texture made it better. Or if it's just fancy. But it's definitely working for me. Because this is good. Hello, friends. Kill him. Ah, I think I killed him. Oh, shoot. We got more. We got more. We got more. Kill him. Okay. Hiding. Hello, friend. You're my friend. Okay, good. Where is the thing that the guy built? It's over here, right? Okay, I guess not. Oh, shoot. No, there's someone doing it. Get him. Get him. Kill them. Kill them with fire. It's right over here, wasn't he? Whew! We are doing good. We need to last 40 more seconds, buddy. There's no one there. You're firing at air. You're wasting your bullets. Stop it. You're insulting me. Where? These AIs better know that they're about to die. Who's shooting me? Oh gosh, there's stuff happening over there. There's a guy! There's another guy! Get him. Gotta get him. Gotta get this guy. Right up here, guys. Right up here. We got 15 seconds. Better make them count. No, what the? Why did my gun leave? No! Gun, come back! What just happened? No, go away. Yes, thank you for healing me, sir, but what on earth was that? It looks like it went backwards almost. Wait. Does shooting it make it go backwards? I think it does. That's so funny. Whoa, I didn't know you could fire so fast with this thing. Alright, so we won. We won. We actually did it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, next map. We're going to go... I haven't done any of these. Let's do Thunder Mountain. That sounds interesting. Oh! Alright, let's see what these guys' names are to make sure they are appropriate. They look like they are, so that's good. Alright, friends. Say hi to YouTube! Exclamation point. Oh, I meant to say hi to YouTube. Never mind. Just say hi to YouTube. Just hi to YouTube, okay? Hi to YouTube. Now everyone's leaving. That's kind of funny because none of them want to be on YouTube. Oh, now everything's engineer, man. Everything is of things is engineer. What's captures? Interesting. So it looks like the things we're doing is payload. I think there's multiple modes, but whatever. Yeah, destruction, dominations, invulns, kills by sentry. Okay, that's that one makes sense. Teleports, headshots, backstabs. Those also make sense. Wait, I've teleported once. What are you talking about? But yeah, captures and defenses. I think that's a different mode. We are going to go ahead back to engineer. Okay, so this isn't actually a thing. We don't need to put anything down. We're just exploring the terrain because, as you can see, there's no stats at the top. Wait, what? Is it 5v5? Are you kidding me? That's hilarious. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, 6v. Jeez, why do they have so many? But that's not very nice of you. Oh, lag. Oh, lag. You had better die, sir. Oh, jeez. Okay, that didn't... that was kind of funny. Alright. Guys, let's go. What's in the closet? Give me some of that. Alright, let's go. Teleporter built by Furple Alexander. Wonderful name. Are you gonna build an exit, or do I just have to stand here? Okay. These are the people. Let's go. Oh, Mr. Satan's back. Yay! No, 4, 1, let's go. Dude, stop trying to rocket jump. You're burning your feet. Where? Okay, let's go this way. Alright, let's put this here, because it's better to build a support than to go charging on. Doesn't have anyone yet. Good. Where are they? Let's just go camp out near it. Oh yeah, so we get to set up stuff before they get out. Hi, friends. How's it going? You are dancing. You are... don't even know. You are trying to snipe me. That's stupid. You're stupid. Jeez. Build an exit right on the doorstep. Guys, you're embarrassing yourselves on national TV. What are you even saying? Oh, you're saying shake hands. A movie. What are you saying? I don't know how to do emotes, but you're not going to burn me through this. You don't realize how impenetrable this shield is. What are you doing? Ah! Oh, whoa, I am getting hurt. Jesus, what? I need healing. Help, I need healing. Oh, shoot. I'm about to die. Alright. On the bright side, you tied your records for building that round. And it's crashed. Server, good, good, good. 4-1. And then... oh no, it looks like my turret died. Gosh darn it. How good are these people doing? Okay, they're actually doing pretty well. Holy jeez. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. See, even my dog's angry at it. Whew. Okay. We came close to our buildings. Nice. Oh, come on. They're entirely AIs. How are you guys doing so bad? 4-1. Oh, there's a guy behind you. Oh, jeez. Got him. Got him. Oh, there's another. There's another. He's a fire guy. I don't like the fire guys. He's a pronounced pyro, actually, but whatever. Oh, yes. They're not defending it anymore. Go away. Away. Oh, you killed him. Good. Now let's just kind of... Oh, there's guys. There's guys. There's guys. Ah. Well, that wasn't very nice of him. Ah, pretzels. Okay. Let's examine what's happening. Oh, no, whoa. They're way too close to the exit. I didn't see how close they were until now. Oh, man. Oh, this is not good. We need to defend it like we did last time. Okay, that's not how you defend it, by the way. Oh. It's because they have Mr. Satan on their team. How did I not think of that before? That's why they're winning. Alright, let's go. It's all Satan. He's the good guy here. Oh no, they're going up. There's a guy jumping. Now I am getting damaged. Okay. I think we need to be someone else. We need to go back and be a medic. Oh, wait. They won. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this episode, and I will see you guys next time.